Definition of fourth central movement. The fourth movement designates the power to which deviations are raised before averaging them. The average of the fourth powers of the deviations of the observations from their mean is called fourth central movement. Now formula for ungrouped data, that is fourth central movement, mu4 is equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole raised to power 4 divided by n, and for group data fourth central movement mu4 is equal to sigma fi into bracket xi minus x bar raised to power 4 divided by n. Here we will take one example of ungrouped data. Observations are given here. Xi, that is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. To find fourth central moment. First of all, we write in table form xi, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We find the total of xi, we get value that is equal to 13. So here x bar is equal to sigma xi divided by n. Here xi is equal to how much? 30. And total number of observations are 5. So 30 divided by 5, we get value x bar is equal to 6. Now we'll put this form in this xi minus x bar. So your x bar is equal to 6. 2 minus 6, that we get value minus 4. 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2. 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. After deducting all the values, we will take the sum of xi minus x bar. We get value that is equal to 0. So after finding xi minus x bar, we will find now xi minus x bar whole square. So here minus 4 square, that is equal to 16, minus 2 square, that is equal to 4, 0 square, that is equal to 0 only, 2 square, that is equal to 4, 4 square, that is equal to 16. Now squaring all the values, now we take the sum of xi minus x bar whole square, we get value that is equal to 40. After finding xi minus x bar whole square, we will find xi minus x bar is to power 4. That is, we will take xi minus x bar whole square divided into xi minus x bar whole square. That is 16 square into 16 square, we get value 256. 4 square, that is equal to 16. 0, 0 only. 4 square, that is equal to 16. 16 square, that is equal to 256. Now finding all the values of taking the square, we get the value now of xi minus x bar raised to power 4 sum, that is equal to 544. Now this putting the formula of force center moment, that is mu4 is equal to sigma xi minus x bar raised to power 4 divided by n. Here sigma xi minus x bar raised to power 4, that is equal to 544, and n is equal to your 5. So we put in this formula 544 divided by 5, that is equal to 108.8. Now another example for group data, from the following frequency distribution, find fourth central moment. That here xi is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and frequency is also given 3, 5, 8, 3, 4. We'll put this in the table form. That is xi 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and frequency 3, 5, 8, 3, 4. So here first we will find the sum of frequency. We get n is equal to 23. After finding this value, we will find mean, that is sigma fi into xi divided by n. For this, we have to first find fi into xi. So we will multiply xi into fi. So 2 multiple by 3, that we get 6. 3 sorry 4 5s are, that is equal to 20. 6 8s are 48. 8 3s are, that is equal to 24, and 10 4s are, that is equal to 40. So here now we'll take the sum of fi into xi, we get value 138. After finding this value, we'll put this 138 in the above formula of mean sigma fi into xi divided by n. Here fi into xi, that is equal to 138, we put here, and n is equal to 23. So also put here in the above formula of mean, we get value 6. After finding the mean value, we find xi minus x bar. So here xi is given here. So x bar is equal to how much? 6. So 2 minus 6, we get value minus 4. 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2. 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. So after deducting all the values, we'll find the sum of xi minus x bar, we get value that is equal to 0. Now after finding xi minus x bar, we find fi into xi minus x bar. So this fi frequency into xi minus x bar. So here 3 into minus 4, we get minus 12. 5 into minus 2, we get minus 10. 8 into 0, that is equal to 0. 3 into 2, we get value 6. 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. After multiplying all the values, we'll take the sum of fi into xi minus x bar, we get value 0. Now xi minus x bar whole square, that is xi minus x bar into xi minus x bar. So here minus 4 square, that is equal to 16. Minus 2 square, that is equal to 4. 0, that is equal to 0 only here. 2 square, that is equal to 4. 4 square, that is equal to your 16. Now we'll take the sum of xi minus x bar whole square, we get value 40. Now we'll find fi into xi minus x bar whole square, that is this frequency into xi minus x bar whole square. This is given here. So 3 into 16, that is equal to 48. 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. 8 into 0, that is equal to 0. 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. 4 into 16, that is equal to 64. After multiplying all the values, we'll take the sum of fi into xi minus x bar whole square, we get value 144. Now we'll find fi into xi minus x bar raised to power 4, that is fi into xi minus x bar is whole square into xi minus x bar whole square. So here 16 into 48, we get 768. 4 20s are, that is 80. 0 into 0, that is 0. 4 12s are, that is 48. 16 64s are, that is 1024. Now we take the sum of fi into xi minus x bar is to power 4. We get value 1920. Now putting this in the above formula of fourth center moment, that is mu4 is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar is to power 4 divided by n. Here sigma fi into xi minus x bar is to power 4, that is equal to 1920, and your n is equal to 23. We put in the above formula 1920 divided by 23, we get value 83.48.